Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Techxplorers channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Today we are thrilled to introduce you to the HelloAsis A1, a revolutionary wireless speaker that is set to redefine your audiovisual experiences. Get ready to be amazed by its groundbreaking holographic display and immersive sound that will make you experience music like never before. The HelloAsis A1 isn't just any speaker. It dynamically visualizes audio and lyrics, seamlessly synchronized with Bluetooth playback. This means that every beat, every word, and every note is brought to life in stunning holographic visuals. The magic behind this is the unique persistence of vision display technology, presenting information in a curved, transparent space like holograms. And with a 360-degree viewing angle, these futuristic visuals can be enjoyed from any direction, front, top, or rear. Let's talk about the display quality. The HelloAsis A1 employs mini LED technology, achieving a high display accuracy of up to 70 ppi. This ensures that the visuals are not only vivid and bright, but also incredibly detailed. Imagine seeing your favorite songs come to life with lyrics and effects dynamically responding to the music in real time. Thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity, music playback on the HelloAsis A1 is just a tap away. Whether you're using iOS or Android, the HelloAsis A1 integrates seamlessly with most mainstream audio playback applications. When playing music without lyrics, the display dynamically responds to the audio, giving you a real-time visual perception of the musical rhythms. But the HelloAsis A1 doesn't stop there. When not playing music, it transforms into an artistic screensaver, showing floating visuals that are sure to be the highlight of any space. Choose from a variety of dynamic artifacts, holographic displays of time, weather, and other information. One is more than just a speaker. It's a visual and auditory masterpiece that elevates your everyday music experience. Whether you're hosting a party, relaxing at home, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes, the HelloAsis A1 is designed to impress. Hey plant lovers, we're diving into a game-changing innovation that's about to revolutionize your home gardening experience. Say hello to Bloomy, the ultimate companion for seamless plant care and straightforward home gardening. Imagine turning any corner of your home or office into a thriving green oasis with minimal effort. Bloomy is here to make that dream a reality. Developed after years of rigorous testing by a team of gardening experts, this all-in-one solution integrates everything you need to let your plants flourish effortlessly. So what makes Bloomy so special? Let's break it down. This powerhouse is composed of 5 essential elements: high-resolution camera for real-time monitoring, smart controller that automates all tasks, 4-in-1 environmental sensor that tracks light, CO2, temperature, and humidity, soil sensor for accurate moisture readings, smart power strip to keep everything running smoothly, and the best part? All these elements are seamlessly integrated with our proprietary growth software, app, and cloud service. This means you can control every aspect of your gardening experience from anywhere, reducing your manual work by up to 70%. Grow smarter, work less. That's the Bloomy promise. Here's what you can expect. Automated climate control. Adjusts temperature and humidity levels automatically. Smart irrigation waters your plants based on real-time soil moisture data. Adaptive lighting changes light intensity and spectrum to suit your plant's needs. Precise CO2 regulation maintains optimal CO2 levels for robust plant growth. Real-time camera monitoring. Keep an eye on your green friends from anywhere. Whether you're gardening in a closet, a dedicated tent, or a cozy corner of your apartment, Bloomy adapts seamlessly to ensure optimal climate and irrigation control. Enjoy the freedom to step away without worry. With our mobile app, growth software, and cloud service, you can manage your garden from anywhere in the world. Bloomy is designed to adapt not just to your lifestyle, but also to your plant's growth needs, ensuring they have the flourishing life they deserve. Everything you need comes neatly packed in one box, ready for easy installation. Bring your home growing experience to the next level with Bloomy. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to a game changer in home health technology, Ultra Human Home, the future of healthy living. Unveiled at CES 2024, Ultrahuman Home is revolutionizing how we think about our living environments. This sleek and powerful device provides personalized home health monitoring, continuously tracking and enhancing the health of your living spaces. Key features: comprehensive environmental monitoring, artificial and natural light exposure, understand how light affects your mood and sleep, air quality, monitor pollutants and keep your air clean, humidity and temperature, optimize these factors for a healthier home, noise levels, identify and reduce harmful noise for a calmer environment. First of its kind, this is the first device to leverage home health data and correlate it with your lifestyle by monitoring factors like humidity, air quality, and temperature. Ultrahuman Home helps improve sleep, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Passive health markers track crucial markers like PM, particulate matter, CO2, and temperature, which impact health over time. The device promotes healthier breathing by detecting harmful particles such as pollen and various PM levels. Real-time alerts. Receive timely notifications if formaldehyde levels or other pollutants exceed safe thresholds. With IFTTT protocols, Ultrahuman Home syncs with your smart air purifiers to keep your indoor air clean. Enhanced sleep efficiency. Continuous temperature tracking helps regulate your circadian rhythm and improve sleep quality. The device also monitors blue light exposure, promoting a healthier sleep-wake cycle. UV light monitoring. Built-in photo-detecting sensors track UVA, UVB, and UVC exposure, helping you manage light levels for better health. Noise management. Discover your optimal noise bands for day and night. With precision mics, Ultrahuman Home can even detect snoring, uncovering potential sleep apnea events. Humidity optimization. Use the device to maintain ideal indoor humidity levels with methods like air conditioning, natural airflow, and humidifiers. The Aeroflow design includes smoke detection, providing timely alerts to your phone in case of an emergency. Why choose Ultrahuman Home? With Ultrahuman Home, you gain insights into every aspect of your home environment. This revolutionary device not only helps you monitor your home's health, but also provides actionable recommendations to enhance your living space. It's like having a personal health assistant for your home, ensuring that you and your family live in the healthiest environment possible. Transform your home into a sanctuary of health and well-being with Ultrahuman Home. From air quality to sleep efficiency, this device covers it all. Don't just live in your home, thrive in it. We're super excited to introduce you to a groundbreaking piece of technology that will completely revolutionize your everyday carry gear. Meet the JetBeam E26, the ultimate EDC flashlight that packs a punch with its incredible features. First off, let's talk about the power. Boasts an astounding 2,000 lumens output, ensuring you have all the brightness you need, whether you're exploring the outdoors or handling tasks at home. With 4 different brightness levels, you can easily adjust the light to suit any situation. It's designed to be easily portable, so you can carry it wherever you go without any hassle. But don't let its small size fool you. This flashlight is packed with functionality. It features a powerful green laser that's perfect for presentations, stargazing, or just having some fun with your pets. And that's not all. The E26 also comes with a UV light, which is perfect for tracking insects, activating phosphorescent materials, and even verifying banknotes. Durability is a key feature of the JetBeam E26. It's crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and has an IPX8 waterproof rating, so it can withstand the toughest environments and even function underwater. Plus, with a 1,700 mAh battery, it offers an impressive 65 hours of battery life, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Whether you're camping, hiking, or on duty, the JetBeam E26 is the perfect companion. We got something truly innovative to share with you. Meet ChoppingBot, the ultimate kitchen assistant that's here to transform your cooking experience. With its smart features and incredible efficiency, ChoppingBot is about to become your new favorite kitchen companion. Let's dive into what makes ChoppingBot so special. First up, the built-in timer. Whether you're juggling multiple dishes or just need to keep track of your cooking times, ChoppingBot streamlines your multitasking with ease. Its count-up and countdown timer modes can handle up to 12 hours, and with an 80 dB beep reminder, you'll never miss a beat, even if you're in the living room. Next, let's talk precision. ChoppingBot features an integrated electronic scale that ensures your measurements are spot on every time. Switch effortlessly between grams, pounds, and ounces with its easy-to-read screen. Precise measurements mean perfect results, and ChoppingBot makes it all so simple. But ChoppingBot doesn't stop there. Its seamless integration with other smart kitchen devices takes functionality to a whole new level. Now let's get to the hands-on features. ChoppingBot comes equipped with built-in shredding and slicing tools for all your fruits, vegetables, and cheeses. Need to grind something? No problem. The grinding teeth design on the cutting board makes food grinding quick and easy, saving you precious time in the kitchen. One of ChoppingBot's standout features is its thoughtful design. The trough design prevents juices from spilling onto your countertops, keeping your kitchen clean. Made from a robust blend of PP plus ABS plus 304 stainless steel, this tool is built to last, resistant to deformation, cracking, and water absorption. Plus, the BPA-free plastic material is resistant to bacterial growth, ensuring your food prep is always safe and hygienic. And the best part, ChoppingBot is battery-powered, giving you ultimate portability and freedom from outlet limitations. With up to 70 days of battery life, you can rely on long-lasting performance without constant recharging. In summary, ChoppingBot is not just a kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. From precise measurements and efficient multitasking to smart integration and durable design, ChoppingBot has everything you need to elevate your cooking experience.